Did you know you can start investing with just $100? That's right. You don't need thousands or a complicated plan to begin building your financial future. Most people think investing is only for the wealthy, but today, I'm breaking that myth wide open. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to grow your money step by step, even if you're just getting started. I'll show you simple, realistic strategies that anyone can use to begin their investing journey. So whether you're saving for the future, paying off debt, or just curious about how to get started, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Why starting small is powerful. Let's talk about why $100 is more powerful than you think. The secret lies in something called compound growth. It's the idea that even small amounts of money can snowball over time as your investments earn returns. And those returns earn even more returns. Here's an example. If you invest $100 today and it grows at an average of 8% annually in 10 years, that $100 becomes $215. Now imagine adding a little more each month. That's how real wealth starts to grow. And don't fall for the myth that investing is only for the rich. The truth is, many investment tools today are designed for beginners. With just $100, you can start building habits that lead to financial freedom. Let me show you how. Step-by-step guide to investing $100. Now let's break down exactly how you can invest your first $100. Here are 5 realistic strategies you can start today. Use micro-investing apps like Acorns or Stash. Let you invest small amounts of money, even spare change from everyday purchases. They automatically invest in diversified portfolios, so you don't need to be an expert. With just $100, you can get started and let the app do the heavy lifting. Invest in ETFs or index funds. ETFs or exchange-traded funds are a simple way to own a mix of stocks or bonds. They're affordable, diversified, and easy to buy through platforms like Vanguard or Fidelity. For example, with $100, you can buy a portion of an S&P 500 index fund and own a tiny piece of the biggest companies in the US. Buy fractional shares. Ever wanted to own stocks like Apple or Tesla, but thought they were too expensive? Platforms like Robinhood and Webull allow you to buy fractional shares, meaning you can invest as little as $1 into big-name companies. Your $100 could give you a piece of several stocks you believe in. Explore high-interest savings or bonds. If you prefer lower risk, consider putting your $100 into a high-yield savings account or a U.S. Treasury bond. These options won't make you rich overnight, but they're safe and reliable ways to grow your money while you learn about investing. Invest in yourself. Finally, consider using your $100 to learn new skills or certifications that increase your earning potential. Platforms like Udemy or Coursera offer affordable courses that can boost your career and income over time. Each of these methods is beginner-friendly, and you don't need to be a financial expert to start. The key is to choose what works best for your goals and get started today. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Now let's talk about mistakes to avoid. The first is emotional investing, buying or selling based on fear or hype. Always stick to your plan and think long-term. Another mistake, ignoring fees. Even small fees can eat into your returns over time. That's why it's essential to choose low-cost investment platforms. Finally, don't chase trends or try to time the market. The best strategy is consistency. Invest regularly and let time do the work for you. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to investing with just $100. Remember, starting small is better than not starting at all. To recap, use tools like micro-investing apps, ETFs, or fractional shares to grow your money, avoid common mistakes, and stay consistent. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to start their investing journey. Your first $100 might not seem like much, but it's the foundation for building a brighter financial future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.